You're probably making your gaming thumbnails harder to click without realizing it. You might think adding more things in the thumbnail makes it better, but it actually does the opposite. It makes people confused, and confused people, they do not click. In this video, I will show you a simple shift to make your thumbnail stronger, clearer, and more clickable. As someone who has grown a gaming channel to 188,000 subscribers and gone from making thumbnails that look like this to making thumbnails that actually get clicks and drive millions of views, there are only 5 words that can literally determine and guide you and test how exactly your thumbnails will perform, and that is curiosity. Does the thumbnail invoke a sense of questioning in the viewer? How did he do this? How did this outcome happen? Curiosity. They need to ask a question about the title or the thumbnail, and in that way they will have to click to watch to get the result. Next up, simple. Okay, does the thumbnail have too many objects? Does it have too much text? Does it have unnecessary... For example, if you put your channel profile picture on the thumbnail, that is unnecessary. Is your content or thumbnail authentic? Is the thumbnail fake? If the thumbnail feels fake or unrealistic, then people won't be clicking on it. Is the thumbnail different? Does it stand out at least a little bit from your competitors? And is it a great idea? This is the most important, because if you're missing the great idea, then everything else will just fall. But if you were to post this, and I have a thumbnail here that I'm going to paste into AI, which you also should do with your thumbnails to easily analyze and learn. This is the fastest way to learn how to make better thumbnails. I have a very good tool here called thumbsup.tv. It will be linked in the description, but I always use this to measure and view the thumbnails more in detail on how they would look like on YouTube. First of all, curiosity. Does this thumbnail invoke a sense of curiosity? Do you even know what this video is about? It's hard to know what the video is really about unless you really read it. Okay, incapable of violent, pacifist. Okay, probably a video about you cannot do combat. So there is maybe a little bit of curiosity. Is the thumbnail simplistic? No. I made this thumbnail and I could have removed incapable of violent because it already is shown by the pacifist sign here. Shooting melee, like, of course you cannot shoot, and of course you cannot fight in melee combat when you're a pacifist, so that is also gone. When people stumble upon a thumbnail or video idea, they need to get curious about the video, and if you confuse curiosity with a little bit of chaos, which is going on in this thumbnail, people have to spend more time scanning the thumbnail, which means it's more likely that they move on to the next. Could have removed that, could have blurred the background even more. This ship is how you beat the game, but honestly, the angel here signifies a pacifist, because angels will never hurt anyone. That is a good part about the thumbnail. But maybe if this character was in heaven, and this pacifist sign I could keep. Next up, is it authentic? I guess it's authentic, it's real, it doesn't feel fake or AI. Is it different? Does it stand out? Well, here's the thing, different art styles and how it stands out amongst your game is the most important, because we cannot compare it here. Literally the easiest way to make different thumbnails is go into the analytics, the audience page, go to channels that your audience watches, and then look at the channels here, because these are the people you're competing with, and then try to make a thumbnail that is different from them, whether it is the color scheme, the focal points, the art style. If you can be different in any way, then that is what's actually going to matter in the end. Lastly, is it a great video idea? A pacifist in the game RimWorld is actually quite a decent idea, but the packaging was a little bit bad. Yes, so the video didn't perform so well. It misses curiosity. It misses simplicity. Authenticity, I wouldn't be so sure about that. Different, okay, great idea. It's a good idea. So let's test it. We're going to paste it into ChatGPT, and this is how you learn the quickest. It is a strong idea, so I was right. The idea itself is very good. Authenticity, force concept, okay, authenticity is good. It's judging the title a bit, but I only wanted to judge the thumbnail. Yeah, so the angel or the halo was correct to have that. Pacifist sign. What weakens it though is too many elements. The left side trait boxes, which we talked about, these things are completely unnecessary. It says the peace sign hand feels slightly disconnected from the game world. So I probably could have just had the angel with like sky or heaven, and that would have been really conveying the same amount of curiosity and the same emotion and the same clarity about what the video is about, with simply 1 or 2 ideas. And here it says make it 1 visual conflict, not 4. Yeah, even the word pacifist on top. So there's I could do this right now. You don't have to use AI, you can use your Photoshop tool. I'm just showing you here because it's easier to convey what I'm trying to teach. Instantly, this is a much better thumbnail. Blur the background a bit, maybe make it darker so the angel stands out more. You want the focal point to stand out, which means brightening the background or having a different color scheme from the focal point and the rest of the background. And the text itself could probably be yellow with a black outline. However, now you only have 2 focal points and then the background is of the skies. If you were to have this with Minecraft, for example, Steve here instead, pacifist, this would be a really great thumbnail. It would stand out, the colors are interesting. Anyways, if you want to learn how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, then I have a video here that should help you out. You can apply these thumbnail tips and generally just become a way better creator.